Hi everyone, Zaz here. In the last video, I showed you how to set up the Billflow WordPress plugin. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create custom roles mapped to tiers. So if we go into the Setup Roles tab under the Billflow navigation, we'll see all of these different names written out. Now these are the different roles that are auto-generated by WordPress when a user signs up. But the cool thing is that we can actually map these to specific tiers to then later on, in the next video, gate pages and content based off of a user's role. So we'll see that we have an administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, and content editor. Ignore this last one. I'm going to explain to you how I actually made that come up. But these are the main ones that WordPress creates. Now, if we go into Stripe over here, and we go into our products, let's go into this product and let's click Edit. So if you guys recall, you have to set up the metadata for your products within Stripe. There's two different tags that you need to use to tag your product, and that's SB_service and SB_tier. We are going to take the name that we've given to the tier, so in this case, Pro, for this specific tier within this specific service, and we are going to say that we want to call everyone who is within the Pro tier an author, and everyone within, let's see, what did I call the other one? And everyone within the basic tier, a subscriber. So now, when a user signs up with a basic account, under the Users tab, they are going to be labeled as a subscriber. And if they sign up with a Pro account, they will be labeled as an author. Now none of that means anything until we have gated our content. But what if you wanted to create your own custom roles? Let's say you don't want to use these arbitrary names that WordPress generates for you, and instead you want to call them by what they are, right? Like a basic subscriber or a pro subscriber. Then for that, we are actually going to install another plugin. We're going to go into plugins, and we're going to search for, well, we're going to add new, and we're going to search for Member by MemberPress. And right here, this block, Member, Memberships, and User Role Editor by MemberPress is the one that we want. So we're going to install that and activate it. And now we can see that it's part of our plugins. So we're going to go to the settings, and right here, we're going to create a new rule. We're going to add this as, we're going to add a Pro subscriber. And the only ability we want them to have is to be able to read the content that we're putting out. Add role, and we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we can see the new role added right here, and I had already created a basic subscriber. So now, once we have these two custom named roles for our users, we can go back to Billflow, go to Setup Roles, and here we're going to say that we want everyone with a basic plan to be called a basic subscriber, and we want everyone with a Pro plan to be called a Pro subscriber. You're going to save your changes, and I will show you how to gate your content in the next video.